Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy Explained in Details along with Forex Price Action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So guys, I'm really excited for this live trading video. It has been a long time since I made one last live trading video. However, the last live trading video I made, actually, there was some comments saying that I'm a gambler and this is not really trading, and if you keep doing that you will wipe your account. And of course they were just a bunch of beginners who really have no idea about trading, because that is, guys, what I'm doing every single day, and that is what I'm doing for a living. So if you don't know what I'm doing, you will think that I'm a gambler, you will think that I'm a rookie trader, you will think that I have no idea what I'm doing. But once you understand what I'm doing and you learn it, trust me guys, trading is going to be so much fun and profitable to you. Not to mention, of course, the premium group, which is doing really well today. So far, all of the signals have made the take profit number 1 and number 2 as well. As we can see, also the Euro JPY from last week is still running and have hit the take profit number 3, making more than 140 pips of profit. How cool is that? Fantastic. I'm so happy and so proud. Even the weekly analysis, which I have sent, is doing well so far. Okay, the pound USD was running in about 75 pips before fall back all the way to the entry. Let's see what will gonna happen. Actually, the last time I checked, it was almost there. It was running in about 50 pips of profit. AUD USD hasn't been triggered. USD CAD was actually running in about 60 pips of profit before going back to the entry. USD JPY is just rising, exceeding the take profit level. USD CHF is ranging at the entry, and the gold has also been triggered and currently running in about 23 or 24 pips of profit. It seems like the market is indeed gonna reverse at that point. So everything is going well so far. Let's now begin the weekly, the live trading session, and let's now check the market. So what I will do basically right now is just simply go between the pairs, hoping to find something good right on the 4-hour time frame. I want to find a clear entry. I want to find a clear market that I can easily read. I want to make sure that I'm on a support or a resistance. For example, the Euro USD right now is actually, my friends, this is very similar to the current analysis. Yes, the market is right now is indeed facing that level of a support. This is the support number 1. After the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance right here, right now the Euro USD is actually creating the support number 2. Now we can actually, oh my goodness, we can actually expect from the Euro USD to continue the rise at least till it reaches that level of a previous support, and according to my analysis, it's gonna actually continue the rise from that point. But we're talking about this live trading session, so what I think is that the Euro USD is indeed gonna start the bullish reversal right away. So that is, of course, being analyzed on the 1-hour time frame. Let's move to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, I want to apply here something called the trend lines, and of course that is a strategy which I have taught on my channel. If you guys can look it up, if you can just search on my channel for a video called The Magic of Trend Lines, you will find it, and you can find that it is really informative, guys. It's really like a magic, and it can give you very, very accurate entries. So as we can see right here, yes, that is actually a perfect entry, I would say. Now we can see that the market indeed has formed here a support trend line number 1, and right now it's actually creating the second attempt of that support trend line number 2. So actually what basically we're doing here, when we are actually applying the support trend line, is simply draw the support trend line from any lower low to any higher low, and you can drag the same line which I have drawn here and place it almost everywhere, and you will find how it was actually an accurate entry if you indeed have placed the line in the correct places. So of course, if you want to understand more of that, you need to guys to watch my video, The Magic of Trend Lines. They are part 1 and part 2. Trust me guys, watch them. They are like treasures for traders. Anyway, I'm about to place the buy order. How about actually the lot size here? It's one lot size on the $1,800 account which is a bit too much, I think. Let's go for 0.70 just for the first trade, and after winning this trade, if we hopefully win it, I'm going to increase the lot size. So therefore, let me now place the buy order exactly right there, and excellent. And guys, 100, 150, 148. However, our take profit level should be placed exactly right there, since this is the nearest resistance or support to our entry. Okay, so guys, pay attention. Since I'm using, of course, IC markets, check out the spread for the USD pairs. It's really nothing. That's the reason when I opened the trade for the Euro USD, the trade has been opened on the exact current price, because the spread is just flat zero, which is fantastic if you want to trade the USD pairs. That's the reason I'm using IC markets, and I believe they are really the best Forex broker in the world. I have been using IC markets since 2016, and I have zero plans to change or replace them. They are, in my opinion, really the best. So the reason to open the trade right now is simply because we are here having this support trend line. So this is the creation of the support trend line number 2, and right here also on horizontal level we can see that the market has indeed formed a support number 1, and right now the market is creating support number 2. Not to mention, of course, the whole bunch of analysis we have made on the last week analysis on Saturday, analyzing why the Euro USD most likely is going to continue the reversal at this point here. That being said, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the take profit level. The take profit level, my friends, of course, has to be placed right here exactly at the nearest support or resistance to our entry. So since we are actually we have opened the trade on this support, our take profit level should be placed exactly right here. This is the nearest resistance to our entry. That's the reason I have placed the take profit level right there, and I just made it equivalent to the stop loss. So make sure I'm just risking 50 to 50 risk to reward ratio. So anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And just as I told you guys, the market is reversing exactly at that level on 1.02740. This is exactly my weekly analysis signal. The reason I'm so happy is this signal must likely have been entered by many others, not only by me. Also for my followers, guys, we are all trading the signal at the same time you are doing this. So hopefully, guys, you have also taken this signal and have enjoyed making these profits. As we can see right now, the candle is shrinking right now. It's reversing, but still the market is going to continue the rise. The candle is falling right now upon the pressure from that resistance right here. But no worries, most likely it's going to continue the rise. This is so normal. That is how usually the candles behave, guys. It's going to continue the rise and then fall back to retest the level of the broken level of a resistance. And afterwards, it's going to continue the rise. Don't worry at all. So it's a good signal, and I believe, guys, you have all enjoying making this profit. Check this out, guys. As I told you, the candle is indeed rising. So excellent signal, excellent trade, and I hope you guys have... How many times I said that? Enough. Okay, so let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I close this trade and open the next one. Wow, Pound GPY is actually on a very, very, very excellent setup for the buy. On the 4-hour time frame, I have no idea how did I miss that. I mean, I remember I have placed my alerts. My goodness, this is so amazing. I mean, this is great. That is exactly the setup I'm waiting for. Guys, we're having here on the 4-hour time frame 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 attempts of a real support, which has been recently broken out from with that bearish breakout candle. But eventually, this was a fake breakout because the retest right here has failed, and this was never become a new resistance, which means the market is gonna continue the rise from that point. Now we need to go to the 15-minute time frame. Oh my god. Oh my god, we have really missed it. I mean, by looking at the 15-minute time frame, we can see right here, my friends, the real level of a support exactly right here. 165.219 is indeed a real level of a support, and we can expect from the market to start the reversal at that point. Yes, it is there. It is there. It is there. But that price action right here is not good. I don't feel good actually placing a buy order right now. I prefer to find a better entry. Let me just zoom in, zoom out. Actually, yes. Let's just go scroll to the left side, and we can see, my friends, that that is exactly right here, the best level. We can see that the market has indeed here created 3 attempts of a support, and right now, once we can actually expect from the market to it's exactly right there. Yeah, I was going to say to fall to that level of a support, but it's exactly on it. I think we can place here a buy order. The lot size is not going to be changed. With the pound JPY, we have to be careful. I'm going to place the buy order. Yes, that's it. I'm done. I'm done hesitating. I'm done thinking twice. I'm going to risk $200 on this trade. Guys, this is perfect setup for the buy. I mean, buying the pound JPY right now is, in my opinion, the best decision to make. And of course, for the take profit level, it has to be placed right here at the nearest resistance to our entry, which is going to be right here exactly. Perfect. So everything is going well. Oh my God, the Euro USD. The Euro USD is on $84 of profit. Guys, for me, this is really fine. I'm not like a crazy others who aiming thousands of dollars. What I'm aiming here is to make my daily livings, to make my daily income. So therefore, actually, $93 of profit is 100. Fantastic. We have made $100 from this trade. Fantastic. Usually I close the trade with about $80-90 of profit. $100 of profit, that is really fine. I'm very happy about it, guys. Again, I hope you guys have taken the signal. The pound USD is also going well. Right now it's coming in 30 pips of profit. USD CHF is falling now, and I think it's going to be soon in profit. The gold right now is also rising, currently in about 33 pips of profit. Everything is going well. Anyway, that's good. So right now, I want to reach the account with $2,000 at least. So the pound JPY, guys, is really one good trade, and I believe it's going to be very profitable. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade and if I'm going to open another trade. Okay, boys, pound JPY, pound AUD. Pound AUD is also on a very good level to start buying, similar to the pound JPY. We can see here the real level of a support, then a fake breakout, and the same level of a real support has been respected. Then the market has been ranging on that level, but it was eventually a resistance, as we can see. Then lately we can see here a bullish breakout candle, and right here the retest of that level of a resistance, and most likely right now on the last candle, on the current candle, I mean, that support level right here and right there are being respected. Good. So on 4-hour time frame, checked, we can start buying. Moving to the 15-minute time frame right now. So actually what I was going to look at on the 15-minute time frame, right now we're having here this bullish breakout candle, but the market here is ranging. So this structure right here is actually useless. I cannot read anything. Let's go to the past. Let's go here. Here is so much more beautiful. Here we can see a clear level of a real support, and in the middle we had a fake breakout. Indicates that 1.76345 is indeed a strong level as a support. It was also a strong level as a key resistance level, a real level of a resistance, of course. Therefore we can see that the market has been ranging here and right here as well. Eventually the market is going to continue the rise. Most likely we can start buying the pound AUD, but not right now. Right now the market is actually on a resistance zone on the 15-minute time frame. Therefore we have to wait for the market to fall again for about 11 pips before we can start buying it. I mean, we can go ahead and buy it, but it's going to be risky. We don't want to lose any pips at all. Therefore I'm going to stick to my rules, and I will play it safe, and I will just simply wait for the market to fall again, making a pullback hopefully from that level of a resistance, and afterwards we can start buying the pair. So what I'm going to do is simply place alert. Right click on any place on the chart, trading, and then alert. Perfect. So now it's gonna alert me whenever the candle is gonna fall right here, or actually the price is gonna reach 1.76377, and after that we can start buying the pound AUD. So until then, I will pause the recording. Oh my God, AUD JPY, guys, the market right now is giving us tons of opportunities. AUD JPY right now is actually on a real level of a previous support right after the breakout from that level of a resistance, and right now it's retesting that level of a previous support. So on the 4-hour time frame, it has been confirmed that we can buy the AUD JPY. Moving to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we can see right here exactly where the market is on right now. Actually, I'm going to place the buy order right now. Just be sure, don't mess it up. Just be sure, don't rush. I usually do this mistake by rushing to open the trades. I'm not rushing at all. I have opened the trades. I'm not rushing at all. The stop loss is gonna, oh my god, nice. We can actually give the candle a lot of space if it gonna go against my direction, and the take profit level is gonna be placed right here for about $86, which is really fine. So again, the reason to open the trade right here is simply judging on that level of a key support level. This was a real level of a support. Pay attention. Let's track what happened here candle by candle, shall we? Okay, let's zoom in and let's scroll to the left. Now please pay attention, my friends. This is really nice. So you can see this level 93.687. It was indeed a real level of a support. Then the market here made a fake breakout, and then that level of a previous support has become also a resistance. Then we can see here these two candles represents the fake breakout from that level of a resistance, and afterwards the market became a new support, and then fake breakout, and another fake breakout, and then eventually a major fake breakout. Eventually that resistance right here in the end has actually kept the position as a resistance right here, and then after the bullish breakout candle appeared right here, it became also a new support. Then we can see here the bearish breakout candle, and again a new resistance was born. The whole concept here is the level is very strong, and once the candle actually reaches that level as a support or a resistance, it has always been reversing. Now let's look what happened next. Check this out. The market indeed respected that level again as a resistance. Now what happened is the market has made here the bullish breakout from that level, and right now we can see the real level of a support is being respected right here. Then in the middle we had this fake breakout. Now what usually happens is once you see here a fake breakout, the attempt right after the fake breakout is usually gonna be the real one, which means it's gonna reverse and it's gonna continue rising. So usually, my friends, what happens is when you are having here a real level of a support, when it's being followed later with a false breakout, the market is most likely gonna be respecting the same level of a previous support. That is literally what's happening right here. So that's the reason I decided to open the trade right here. And not to mention, of course, if actually we can see this by the naked eyes, the support trend line, my friends. All I need to do is simply draw here a support trend line just like that, so from this lower low to this higher low, and just drag it all the way to this level of a support trend line, and we can see that the market is indeed going to be respecting that level and creating a new support trend line. Actually, I saw it by the naked eyes. I didn't even need to draw the support trend line. I think it was so obvious. So indeed, the trade is going well. It's going in profit for both pound JPY and pound JPY and AUD JPY. All going well, and I think it's going to be very profitable. So therefore, let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later, guys, to show you what will going to happen with these two trades. Okay, guys, my alert is on, and the pound AUD, as we can see, is falling. It's about to reach my entry, which I had talked about earlier. Now I'm just thinking if I should go for it or not. Buying the pound AUD and buying the AUD JPY at the same time is not the wise decision. I think we will just ignore it. Also, I cannot really open 3 trades at the same time. That's just so risky. It's not like I didn't have any efforts to get this money. So no way, I'm not gonna do it. 2 trades at a time, that is actually already too much. So anyway, let me please again pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later, guys. Everything is going well so far. I'm so happy about it. Okay, let's see what will gonna happen later. And guys, check this out. $131 of profit from both the AUD JPY and Pound JPY. They are going in a very good profit. 123, 130, 130. I'm going to close both of the trades with $130 of profit, closing this video in a very fantastic profit. And now the account is above $2,000. So again, guys, really, this is not gambling at all if you know what you are doing. And by the way, Euro USD signal, which I have sent you last Saturday, is currently running in about 51 pips of profit. Pound USD, 54 pips of profit. USD CAD is also reversing, running in 22 pips of profit. USD CHF right now is finally in profit, 18 pips of profit. And the gold, 65 pips of profit. Fantastic days, fantastic week for Xtreme Trader family. I hope you guys have enjoyed this live trading video. And by the way, I will stop trading for now and I will continue maybe tonight. And let's see, guys, if I can make this account reach $2,200. However, it was a very good trading session and I'm so happy with it. Actually, for the Euro USD, we could actually have let the trade run. I mean, wow, that is amazing. That is really amazing. This is the power of trend lines. But again, there was no chance to keep this trade running so far. I mean, I'm not the person who keep the trade running for that long time. 60 pips, guys. I mean, that is really not my style to keep the trade running for that long. Anyway, excellent video and excellent live trading session. I hope you guys have learned something about my trading style and my strategies. So until then, I hope that that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.